Hey y'all, I am Kay and you're watching It's Just K1 here on YouTube. How y'all doing out there in YouTube land? I just wanted to come on and let you know I finally got my glasses from Warby Parker. Right now I'm wearing a Marie Claire lens that I had. It's like a purple and gray. I don't care for these anymore. My favorite designers for eyewear are Zac Posen and Tory Burch. You know I'm a Tory Burch addict. But Zac Posen, I really love his glasses also. So the place I go to currently to get my eyes examined, they have some designers and some not. They were loaded up with Tory Burch and then all of a sudden they kind of fell off. So I wanted to try something new. So on YouTube, one of my favorite YouTubers is Sunny Atia. And Sunny Atia turned me on to Warby Parker. So I have my glasses, y'all. They finally came. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Warby Parker is affordable and stylish. And we're going to see how they work because I'm taking these purple ones off as soon as I get through with them. Bam. We got two pair, y'all. Two pair. Under what I probably paid for these, the Tory Burches and the Zac Posers. We're going to check these out, okay? Let's go. Warby Parker. Okay, so let's take these off. First pair we're going to try on. Look at that box. For every pair purchased, a pair is distributed to someone in need. Isn't that nice? Right. So this is the case. Very nice, very nice. And I don't know which pair this is. These are the navy blue ones, okay? They give you a cloth to clean the glasses. These are the glasses, so let's try these on. Oh, I love them, y'all. I like it. I like them. These are excellent. The thing with Warby Parker is you do have to take, I had my prescription sent to them. I had them contact my eye doctor to get my prescription, but also you have to take a test with a card, right? And the only thing was a con. It's not a con, but I had to keep doing the test over and over because you're supposed to hold a card like this, like a credit card, under your nose and take a picture. It took me a while to get it together, y'all. I mean, like 1,900,000 times, but we got it. I love these. These are navy blue. And the name of these are, y'all know I can't see. These are called Newman Single Vision. Now, I don't have any tip or anything in these, but these are called Newman. As you see, very pretty. They're just like a navy blue. I like them. These are Newman. So let's open up the other pair. I love these cloths and stuff. And look at the inside. It says, "Nice to see you." See you. Okay, so we're going on to put the cloth back in there. I love that these have a cleaning cloth. I mean, most of my glasses I get from the eye doctor, they'll give you a cleaning cloth, but these are just so nice. I just like how everything's packaged and everything. That's number one, and here comes number two. Let's get to it, y'all. Okay. These are called, the first one was Newman, and this one is called Della. Okay. I didn't order any sunglasses from them. I just ordered regular glasses because I just want to try them out first. And then as I get more comfortable with them, if I really like them, I'll go and order more. I still love my designer frames, but this is Della. You know, I'm in love with the brown. This is why I like Zac Posen. Zac Posen has tons of the brown combo with light color, like, I don't know, tiger print or whatever. And these are the types of styles of glasses I like. So, this is Della. Oh, Della. See, these remind me of the Zac Posens I had that I accidentally stepped on. But I wanted to replace them. My place don't have Zac Posens no more. But Warby Parker has Della, and Della is very similar to the Zac Posens. I love these. And they fit correctly. They're not too tight or too loose. I know that from time to time I will have to get them tightened up because that's just like any glasses that you have, whether they're sunglasses or regular glasses. But I'm very happy with my purchase, y'all. No problems with them. So, if you haven't, these are Della, remember, and the other ones are Newman. So I'm farsighted. I wear my, if you always see me take my glasses off, it's because I need my glasses for driving. I don't need them for reading and up close. I need it for driving, nighttime driving, glares, things like that. I don't need it for the computer. You always see me take them off a lot of times. I don't need them for that. I don't need it for up close. I need them for far away. So I'm going to take these off, y'all. These are Della again. And if you haven't, I'm sure you've seen the advertisements all on TikTok, on Instagram, all over the place on social media. You better get you some Warby Parkers. And they're affordable, stylish. That's the thing. They are affordable and they are stylish. I got these 2 pair for less than 200 bucks, y'all. That's right. So, next time you're looking for some glasses, have them contact your regular optometrist you go to, or go visit one of the locations. One reason I didn't go to a location because there's none near me, but they have some downtown to Chicago. I think they have some north of Chicago, but none south suburbs and none in Indiana, so I did it online. But check them out, Warby Parker. Get you 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pair. And they have sunglasses too. Men's frames and women's frames. Check them out, y'all. Check them out, because I'm going to put these blue ones on. I have no problems with them. And I'm very impressed. And I probably will be ordering more. Warby Parker, y'all. Check it out. It's just K1 here, y'all. And great bye. Talk to you soon.